What is the new must-have perfume? I have tons to unbox. So let's start and see. This is DURGA Debaser in Bloom. So obviously I love like the original Debaser with the fig. This is new. What is the bloom? Gardenia Musky Cream Coconut. I actually don't like Gardenia. The Gardenia girls, very scary people. Very scary people. Like, ooh girl. But let's see what she can do for me. Put some on the skin as well. It's giving creamier floral debaser. Give me 1 sec, let me get the original. I have it right here. Let's do a little comparison, shall we? Hello, there we go. Yeah, green fig, zing, creamy, floral fig. Okay, I like both. I'll probably wear, which one would I wear more? I mean, this is such a classic. I love that scent. Plus, this is kind of like sultrier. Into it. Thank you, DURGA. Kavya and David, amazing people. Next up, we have a new Marc Jacobs. Daisy Wild Marc Jacobs. How gorge is that? Ooh, sorry, y'all. It's very pretty. Oh, so extra. Are you extra? It's juicy, it's very jungly, like frangipani-esque or plumeria-esque. Am I making stuff up? Let's see. Marc Jacobs, Daisy Wild. Oh, so extra. I love that name, please. Because it goes on extra enough anymore. Banana, creamy banana. That's what I was saying. I actually don't like banana smelling things. Deep jasmine, pear, banana. I love a pear over an apple, so that's good. And then banana chocolate, vanilla. Ooh, you must love a juicy situation. It's lovely. I don't love banana as a fragrance, but I can see the girl in this. I can see her. And I'll link all of these down below to make it easy for you. What else do we have? Ooh, this is from Juliette Has a Gun, sent by Your Perfumes. Thank you, Marissa and team. This is the Bold collection. The Bold collection is here. Shop now by Twisted Lily. Ooh, look at that. It says tear if you dare. I will dare. There we go. Tear if you dare, baby. What is in the collection? It makes a new chapter for Juliette Has a Gun. Intense, richer, haute couture approach. I like that. There are 4 of them. Madleine Imperial. I love a Madeleine, like a citrusy baked good. Liquid Illusion. It wasn't love, it was a perfect illusion. Lady Gaga. White Spirit and Oil Fiction. Madleine Imperial. This is a great PR box, by the way. It also has the notes in here. They wanted you to get it right. They said, don't make up your own stuff. I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to know. Madleine Imperial, when French pastry meets culture. And they got the cards in here. Y'all did so good. It says it starts with a blood orange and a patchouli. Did I make that right? Uh-huh. Ooh, that is bold. That is actually bold. They're not lying. And a deep saffron, an oudi. Think oud Madeleine. Y'all see that? Okay, that's bold. Ooh, might be a little bit too bold for me. Might be a little bit too bold for me. I'm a bit scared now. Okay, all right. Let's try Liquid Illusion next. Iris Almond Tonka and a Vanilla Creamy Musk. Okay. Explores the tension between control and surrender, clarity and perception. Orris in the heart. Orris butter. That's gorgeous. Almond Orris. This is very nice. Skin. This is skin. Aura. Hypnotic. Oh, that's lovely. It's bold but soft. Okay. That I could wear. Cause Madeleine was like, girl, I don't know, girl. But you know, I have to tell you my truth. You can't love everything. Okay. Next is White Spirit. That's this one. White Spirit. That is jasmine, tuberose, sandalwood, and cetiloxambroxan. So think like white, airy musks. Soft. Very like liquid velvety. Where fire meets ice, luminous white florals and modern ambery dry sillage. I told you that those ambery dry, luminous, elegant, sophisticated. Oh, that's really good. That's a trail. If you want people to smell you, this is nice, but you want to be soft and bold. Okay, especially with the Cetilox and Ambroxan combo. That's nice. Okay, I would wear that actually. I wear that to work. That's good. Let's try Oil Fiction next. Reminds me of one of my favorite songs from this band. Fiction. I think they're called Beast. K-pop band back in the day. Saffron, tuberose, amber. Vanilla papyrus. Oh, that's a gorgeous tuberose then. That is lovely. It's also, ooh, pretty bold there too. Okay, Juliette, you're not playing with the girls. You are not playing. Plays with light and opulence, a royal elixir, red gold, a saffron, and tuberose. It literally feels like a gold aura. Okay, that is a new era. The Juliette Has a Gun. The Bold collection, check it out. Thank you, Juliette Has a Gun. Thank you, Your Perfumes. Thank you, Marissa. Next, we have some YSL. I know what's in here actually, but let me show you. Ooh. We have the full MYSLF range, including the new one, which I'll tell you in a little bit. You have the EDT, the EDP, which is my favorite, L'Absolu, Fresh, but Le Parfum, which just came out, which is like skin salty. It's a skin salty myself. And by come out, it hasn't come out. It literally comes out May 15th. So let me not lie to you, okay? I got a little sneak peek recently. It's so good. I think this might be the scent of the summer for men. Yeah, skin, salty, sexy. Orange Blossom Musk, gorge. Gorge. Thank you, YSL Beauty. What do we have here? This is Henry Rose. They sealed that tight, girl. Oh, launched a while back. I feel like I missed this one. My bad, y'all. This is Ripe Eau de Parfum. Bright, juicy, addictive. It launched in March. I don't know where this box was. It was maybe hidden down below. I'm sorry, y'all. A litchi scent, right? According to the image, a sensory rush, it says, in saturated bloom. Watermelon sorbet lychee rose. You definitely get the lychee, definitely get the rose. It's lychee and not lychee. I'm just coming for you. And a little spiciness. And the watermelon's right there. Okay, it's very sorbet. It's like an airy, whipped, juicy, fruity. Oh, I've read that. Kinda like that. I wanna add that to my short list for the summer. Thank you. Henry Rose. To cart, girl. The three that we'll do next are Future Society, this massive package from Snif, and some LoveShackFancy. We'll end with a big box from Snif, so let's do the LoveShackFancy first. These launched in April. One is Peach Pom Pom and one is Vanilla Twirl. Let's see. These are mists. I love the mist. Let's start with Peach Pom Pom. Peach is in. Remember I said peach was in? Did I say that? If I didn't say it, I meant to say it. I can do a peach perfume video because it's becoming a thing. It's a fruity floral candied peach crystallized sugar, very sugary. It's actually very like girly pop, like LoveShackFancy. And a jasmine. It's very like sugary, airy, very girl. That's nice. It's nice. How much is this one? And then this is Vanilla Twirl. I love a vanilla scent. You know I'm the king of vanillas. Am I? Kind of just self-proclaim. That's crazy. Vanilla mousse, salted caramel, coconut musk, coconut vanilla. Yeah, it's a coconut sweet warm vanilla. That's lovely. You can put that on top of anything. If you want that extra like vanilla dust in your life, that is nice. I like it. And the bottle's really nice too. These are good. Thank you, LoveShackFancy. We have this from Future Society. Ooh. Ooh. How gorgeous is that bottle? Please. This is Born in the Clouds. Cloud Reverie, crafted from the biology of clouds. Fragrance is intensified by your own body. Wait, I feel like it's a vanilla Irish sugary musk accord. I'm gonna do a separate video on this. This looks very cool. I think it needs a deep dive. Yeah, thank you, Future Society. And now, the big one. Y'all, can you even see this? Look at that. It's a cereal-inspired collection. This is very cool. What do we? Milk and cereal collection. What do we have here? Woo! Now this is a PR package. Look at that. Can you see? This is very cool. Yeah. All right, we have a Snif Fine Fragrance. This is 2%, like 2% milk. Okay, I get that. Praline Vanilla. I'm gonna spray this real quick. Thank you for the bowl. A spoon. These are so cute. Branded. Come on, PR package. And then we have some body mists. We have Lucky Streak, Fruity Coal. Oh, like a thing coal, but a fruity one. Y'all, please. And Crunch Time. Marshmallow Heliotrope Cornstarch Air Purified Vanilla Musk. It's Lucky Streak. I'm gonna try that right now. Let me try that right now. Let me know if you want to review the other ones. I'm gonna try this and then the Fine Fragrance, so the 2%. Okay, this is Lucky Streak. Hello, there we go. Oh, that's a nice mister too. It's literally like warm, milky, marshmallowy. That's lovely. 4-leaf clovers, wish they were this charming. Very cereally, very like youthful, bright. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I can't wait to try the rest. And to wrap up this video, we have 2%. This is so gorgeously packaged. Signature Snif packet. Boom. Boom. Welcome to the fun side of Fine Fragrance. This is 2%. I'm not really a milk guy in general, but I do like milky scents. Vanilla Praline Caramel, Lactonic Milk Carton Accord. That's interesting. That is interesting. Literally does smell. It's like all of those things, caramelly, milky, and like airy, crisp, kind of papery, like a carton. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put some of that on actually. Why not? Why not? Thank you, Snif. Let me know if any of those struck your fancy and if you think there's a hot new fragrance on the scene from those. Thank you to all the brands. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you like more unboxing videos, let me know. I try to do something more casual and relaxed, as well as the studio content. So we're here now. Bye, everybody.